The OnePlus 5 and OnePlus 3 were both discharged in June of their separate years, so in or around June 2018 is our best figure for the OnePlus X. All things considered, it's not a month that OnePlus dependably adheres to, but rather for its primary numbered discharges, otherwise known as everything with the exception of the OnePlus 5T, OnePlus 3T and OnePlus X, it does dependably dispatch them around the center of the year. There is proof that the OnePlus X could dispatch part, however, as a source addressing GizmoChina claims it will be reported in mid-March and hit stores before the finish of March. The OnePlus X is likewise prone to pack one of the most recent and most prominent chipsets, maybe the Snapdragon 845. What's more, we'd figure RAM will top out at 8GB, much the same as the OnePlus 5T, as bringing down it may resemble a minimization. However, we battle to perceive how any more than 8GB would be useful. Cost is harder to speculate. OnePlus telephones reliably undercut equal leaders, yet they've likewise been sneaking up in cost. The OnePlus 5T begins at $499, £449, 599 Australian dollars, and it's probable that the OnePlus X will cost in any event this much. It might even cost more. In spite of the fact that the OnePlus 5T is pretty much an indistinguishable cost from the OnePlus 5, so it's conceivable that the cost won't change much for the OnePlus X. OnePlus has stayed with the full HD screen on every one of its handsets to date, and keeping in mind that that was top-end in the times of the OnePlus 1, it now falls behind contrasted with the QHD+, and even 4K, shows that are winding up progressively normal. Given their by and large ultra-mid-go costs, OnePlus telephones can at present pretty much escape with the 1080p determination, however they're proposed to be leaders, and with each passing year their screens feel less and less lead commendable. Thus, we jump at the chance to see the organization step things up for the OnePlus 6 and give us a stick-sharp QHD show.